Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at home. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy. Student, today our topic is Rangoli. Student, this is your drawing book, Fun with Canvas. Now take out page number 30. Rangoli. Color the Rangoli using crayons as shown.
Rangoli. Rangoli is an ancient and traditional Indian art form that embodies beauty and auspiciousness. Rangoli art consists of decoration and patterns made with chalk or rangoli colored powder and can be embellished with sand, rice, candles or flower petals. It is a safe, beautiful and expressive tool that transcends age, language and cultural barriers and is a powerful and art form that is quiet and meditative in process. It allows us to find a temporary disconnect with the incessant hubbub that surrounded our daily lives. Some culture believes that drawing rangoli brings good luck and wards off evil spirits, while some believe that this humble ritual helps to keep courtyard clean. Think deeper and you will realize that rangolis are temporary. They are washed away and redrawn every day. Thus, they reflect the unpredictability of life. Whatever way you draw the rangoli, you always get another chance to draw another rangoli the next day. Rangoli art thus serves as a metaphor for the impermanence of life. We are drawing a rangoli.
Students, we have completed our rangoli. Do practice at home. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.